In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off Simplified View for web pages in Google Chrome. This is a really useful feature when you want to read an article, blog post, news story, or tutorial without all the extra clutter on the page. It makes the text easier to focus on, and it can be especially helpful for long pages with a lot of distractions. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or applications folder, depending on the device you're using. Once Chrome is open, go to any web page that contains a good amount of text. This could be an article, a blog, a news page, or even a tutorial page. Simplified View works best on pages that are content heavy because that's where the cleaner reading layout really makes a difference. Now look at the top right corner of Chrome. You'll see the three dots menu. Click on that menu to open the main Chrome options. This is where Chrome keeps a lot of its browser controls and settings, so if you're ever looking for a feature, this is usually the place to start. From the menu, move to More Tools. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may need to hover over it or click it to reveal additional options. Once the More Tools section opens, look for Reading Mode. Click on Reading Mode and Chrome will switch the web page into a simplified, easier to read layout. As soon as it turns on, you should notice that the page looks much cleaner. The text will appear more readable, the layout will be less distracting, and unnecessary elements will be reduced. This is great if you want to focus on the main content without ads, sidebars, or other clutter getting in the way. It's especially useful for long-form reading and research. If you want to turn Simplified View off, that's just as easy. In the top right area of the page, click the X or close option inside the Reading Mode view. Once you do that, Chrome will return the web page to its normal, original layout. So whether you want a distraction-free reading experience or your full standard web page view, you can switch between them in just a few clicks. And that's it. You've now learned how to turn on and turn off Simplified View for web pages on Google Chrome. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference when you're reading online. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Chrome tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.